How to protest legally. Know your rights. Have you ever felt the urge to stand up for what you believe in? Protesting is a powerful way to express your views, but knowing how to do it legally is essential. Understanding your rights can help you navigate the complexities of peaceful assembly and expression. The right to protest peacefully is protected by the United States Constitution, specifically the First Amendment. This amendment guarantees freedom of speech and the right to assemble peacefully. You can march, hold signs, leaflet, picket, circulate petitions, and express your opinions publicly, even if your views are unpopular. To protest legally, remember that your actions must be peaceful. This means no violence or unlawful obstruction. You can protest in public spaces like streets, sidewalks, and parks. However, if you are on private property, the owner can set rules, and ignoring them may lead to trespassing charges. Authorities may impose reasonable restrictions on when and where protests can occur. These restrictions must be content-neutral and apply equally to all groups. For example, if you want to march and block traffic, you may need a permit. However, permit requirements cannot be used to suppress protests that respond quickly to recent events. If you interact with law enforcement during a protest, stay calm and keep your hands visible. Do not argue or resist, even if you feel your rights are being violated. Ask if you are free to leave. If the answer is yes, calmly walk away. If you are arrested, ask why and state that you wish to remain just silent until you have a lawyer. You have the right to make a phone call to a lawyer without police listening. Remember, you do not have to consent to searches of your belongings. Police may conduct a limited pat-down if they suspect a weapon but need a warrant for more extensive searches. They cannot take or delete your photos or videos without a warrant, but they can ask you to stop if your recording interferes with their operations. If you believe your rights have been violated, document everything. Write down details like officers' badge numbers and patrol car numbers. Collect contact information from witnesses and take photos of any injuries. You can file complaints with the police department's internal affairs or civilian complaint boards. Some groups face additional challenges when protesting, such as women, LGBTQ+ individuals, and marginalized communities. Awareness of these risks is important for safety and solidarity. Understanding your rights helps ensure that your protest remains lawful. Always prioritize peaceful conduct and be aware of local laws and regulations regarding protests.